Good morning guys and welcome back. Another episode, just a random one really. A few bits to do on the 36-330. Alex is currently in sanding my new bonnet, ready for paint. Got some spigot rings, put on my E39 alloys to stop my wobble. And going to do a few bits on Alex's car as well. His exhaust is currently hanging off, sounds like a tractor, so we're going to get that done. So yeah, I'll film as much as possible. As I said, just a random one, a few bits and bobs. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. So this is Alex's car currently. I'll show you what it sounds like. This is a petrol now, by the way. Oh fucking hell, all the switches. How do you start this? Oh, sorry. So as you can hear, it sounds like a diesel tractor, not a petrol BMW. Morning, James. You're always delivering breakfast in my YouTube videos.
Gary, isn't it? Yeah.
So we're not welding Alex's exhaust because there's nothing to weld to. Alex will have to get a new back box. Isn't it, Alex?
I quite like this.
That's to let some of the gases escape before they reach the exhaust.
Performance modifications.
It's the second lambda sensor, it's just
Oh, is
got to
that
plug
what
it
it
in.
is?
It's the new welding ones they've come out with.
I understand.
Like, how the fuck
why.
do you get a hole there?
How do you get
That's how much power it's got.
blast the
Going down
straight
that
line?
exhaust gas, it didn't even make it to the end of the exhaust.
Yeah, so we won't be welding that. Alex has just sanded my bonnet, get all the Nardo grey off it, because the last time he painted anything over the Nardo grey it all reacted. There's a couple of dents in the front of this, but it'll do. Alex didn't want to take him out, the lazy cunt.
Correct. It was hard not sanding the fucking thing. Gary said he was going to weld my exhaust and then just thought, nah, fuck it. Now my back sounded like a tractor.
There's only so much stuff you can weld to, that's the problem. I can't weld air, mate.
Get him to 2,000 watch hours and we'll do a big jack exhaust. We'll have it coming out in the back. Shotguns.
If we get another 5 subscribers, Alex will
Five?
put a 5-foot exhaust coming out the back of his car.
Fucking 5.
Yeah, 10 like.
100 subscribers.
By next week, is it?
100 subscribers for 2 weeks.
2 weeks for 100. I'll get that. That happens, Alex. I'll start making the exhaust now.
And then it's going up for sale. So which one of you wants to buy it?
Yeah, Alex's car is for sale, if anybody'd like it. Yeah, it'll have a better exhaust.
We'll have a better exhaust. We'll have one on the way. James, don't say things like that.
He doesn't want to put tyres on it. He's not putting tyres on it, James.
Well, I fucking am now.
You've been called out.
The internet knows.
Nope, the car is for sale, if anybody's interested. 4-door saloon, it's got M44 318IS engine, and it's painted Nardo grey on nice wheels. Message Alex. Where's your mask, Alex?
Safety first.
More mask, that!
Got the mask.
That's gonna bad, ain't it? Morning, mate. Oh, goodies.
I got you some goodies,
Nice.
just some offcuts from the Mother's Day boxes.
Nice.
Some blondies, brownies, shortbread.
Nice.
Keep you going for 10 minutes anyway.
Thank you, mate.
What things, eh?
Not bad. There you go, I'll give you a bit of advertisement.
Oh, thanks, mate. Appreciate that.
If you need any shit, get in touch.
Yeah, definitely. Best buffets in the world. So it is, what things, man.
Not bad. Right, the bonnet is painted. See you later, Di.
Peace out, Dan. Peace out.
No burnout.
Oh, what's wrong with you?
What you doing?
We stalled it.
Right, so I've got some spigot rings to go on. I've got E39 wheels currently, and there's a little bit of a wobble when driving, so stick these on so it centres them.
So there's a spigot ring fitted in the wheel,
basically because these are E39, the bore is like 74.6 I think, and then E36 is 72.6, something like that. So if you can't fit the wheels without the spigot wings, but they wobble, so just fit these to stop any wheel wobble.
I tried to pull it, I was going to put a disc on. Let's see if it was yours.
My brother-in-law's 530 diesel snapped the fan belt last night. And Alan from DTS Transport just dropped it off. Need anything lifted, he's your man. 530 diesel. I'll strip some of this plastic off now and have a look at what the problem is, see if anything's caused the belt to snap. So this is the issue with this. So I have this 330 diesel. As you can see, it went on fire, but it should have a good pulley on it. So see if I can get this one off. Get Tim's car back on the road without having to wait for any parts. Right, it's new belt. Pulley is on. Nice and freely. There you go, all running, fan belt back on. Right, so there, it's all done. Quick job, just to sort out for my brother-in-law, getting back on the road. So the bonnet is painted, you see behind me. A few specks of dirt in it, but it's to be expected, painting it in this garage, it's really dusty. But yeah, it'll replace the dented one, so that'll be decent. So that's it for this episode. Yeah, really didn't get as much done on my own car as what I had planned. Just got spigot rings fitted and Alex painted the bonnet, so at least that's done. I'll get that fitted on the car next weekend. Yeah, so really that's it. Next is, well, Chris's car will be back with us in a week's time. So we can fix the water leak, get the sump off, get the timing case off. He's got all the gaskets, so we'll do that once it comes back. Next then is probably going to be the stroker. I need to really get back on that. I want to get an MOT, get it on the road so I can do some proper testing, make sure it's all running good, and then I want to get that on a dyno as well, really, to see what brake horsepower it makes. But yeah, so I'll probably be on the stroker next week, getting it prepped for MOT. Yeah, so that's it really. Thanks for watching once again. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time.